Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a Gershion polygel nail enhancement kit unboxing, and I'm going to be trying it out on this one hand right here. I did remove my previous set, so we're going to see what I come up with. And yeah, thank you Gershion for sending this. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's see what goodies are in here. Ooh, there's a lot of goodies in there. Okay, so it just has this little thing here. I guess it's like a little booklet of the steps. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. And this is a glitter collection. This is a glitter kit, which I've never had. I don't think besides MAKARRT from any other company. I'm not really sure, but I think I don't think I've ever tried their glitter, so I can't wait because I love their formula. They have great formula. This kit also comes with, let's see, the cleansing solution, the cleanser solution, a file. It comes with the little brush with one end of spatula, and one end has the brush. So go ahead and open that and show you guys. So here goes a little spatula. And here goes a little brush part. And let's see, it comes with some forms, which I don't use. A thank you card, cute, and all their at Facebook, Instagram, email. And some dual forms, but we're doing tips. Also comes with base coat. Coat. Awesome. I already showed you guys, well, I didn't show you, but I already mentioned the cleanser solution. It looks like that. I don't think I've ever gotten a cleanser solution in a bottle like this one. This is like a new type of look, I guess. It's really cute, actually. Very, very cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all these, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the first color. And this one just says it is called, well, I guess they have numbers only. So this is 17, 017. Let's see, we don't need to use that just yet. So 017, let's see what it looks like. What? That is so pretty. It's like a pearlescent pink. I am actually going to zoom in the colors so you guys can see that way better. There we go. Next color is 018. Looks like that. I think it's way too close so that you guys can't see it. Okay, so let's try this one out. Oh, okay, this is really cute. These are very shimmery type of polygels. So this one's a little bit the same as the other one, except it's a lot darker, but same pink toned look. Very pretty. Okay, next one I'm gonna swatch is the 015. Comes out too. The thing I like about, oh, that is so pretty. A nude color, darker nude. Wow. Okay, so the thing I like about these, the Gershion products, is that there's a lot in here. There's 30 milliliters. That's a lot of product. Okay, so 014, let's see what it is. Oh, it's like a white. Let's see. Oh, I'm having a hard time taking this out. I tried to swatch it all nice and I messed it up. But it's like a white. That's all it really is. It's nice. I don't think I've ever used the white one. I kind of want to use it now. Ooh, you know what I kind of want to do? Like an ombre. That would be awesome. And it's very, very white too. Look at that. Okay, let's see. The next one is 013. Looks like, what? Cute. These are very interesting. So this one's like a pearlescent white. Wow. Wow. Okay, and the last one is 016. I didn't even go in order, sorry. But you guys get the point. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a nice beigey nude shimmer. So they're all shimmery. You're gonna create some magic with 18 and 14. Okay, so I got my tips on. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just blend them with the buffer instead of the file. So this is what they look like. And come like, well, technically this is what, like this. I had it backwards. And then you open it and then they look like this. I got my MAKARRT lamp ready, you guys. And like I said, we're gonna be doing the 018 and 014, and I'm gonna take my base and top coat. Put the base coat first. And I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it. I'm gonna put on the whole nail. I didn't prime it because I don't want them to last too long. I actually shouldn't even prep it because you guys know I change them every week. But it is necessary if you're doing a client or if you want them to last, to prep the nails with some primer. Okay, I'm gonna put it into the lamp for 1 minute. Look like this so far. I'm gonna go ahead into the whites. I don't know why, I kind of like want to do the other one, but no, we're gonna do this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip my little spatula part in there because it kind of makes it easier to slip onto there. So let's take a little bit out. Put it on the thumb. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Ooh, this one feels a little bit different than usual. The white one. Okay, I don't know if I like their solution because I just tried it with the alcohol and it spreads it a lot better. So I'm gonna have to say no to their solution. And I'm gonna actually just use my alcohol right here. I'm gonna put it inside there. Now we got the white on there. It looks pretty darn good if I do say so myself. It's a lot easier with regular 99% alcohol. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this right here and put it in the lamp for a minute. Or actually, I'm gonna put it in for 30 seconds just to freeze it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take the pink color, which is number 18, and I'm gonna grab my spatula and clean it up a little bit. Easier to clean with 99% alcohol. So let's put it onto here. And I'm gonna place it right there. Now let's see how this goes. Trying to be a little comfortable and at this. Alright, you guys. Sorry, my camera is acting really weird. It said I had no memory card and just completely turned off, so I had to take off the poly gel, but we're gonna continue before it happens again. So weird, technology sometimes sucks. But anyway, go back into number 18 and just apply. I'm gonna use just half of it for now and start fading it down, essentially. I'm gonna push some of it up first. Fade a little bit down so that you don't overfade it in the beginning. And then kind of put it up first. And then, let me see, spread it out. And then fade some down. And if you guys hear screaming in the back, it's just my brother playing video games. Okay, so I'm gonna take some more that I left. Shouldn't have done that because now I got on my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it though. And start moving it. Up and fading it down. Okay, so put it in the lamp, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some glitter to this. So I'm picking some glitter from the back of me, behind me. I think I'm gonna do this glitter right here. I hope it's not too chunky because it kind of looks very chunky, but we'll just use a little bit. But I'm gonna do this after I do all of the nails.
Was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the glitter now. And I got this glitter from Amazon, and I will leave that link in the description box down below. So I think it'll stick right on there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and attempt to add them just like randomly, kind of somewhat in the middle. Put them down. So I'll just be adding some clear to close them off.
Could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put the clear on there. So I got this from my other Gershion set, and this is just the clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and encapsulate this. Alright guys, so this is what my nails came out looking like. My camera is acting crazy, so I really do apologize for that, but I did finish file, I did finish encapsulating, then I filed, then I bossed and all that stuff, reshaped and everything. So this is what it came out looking like after everything, and I must say I absolutely love them. I haven't had stilettos in a little bit, and they feel so light. That's what I like about polygel. They're very, very light, feel more natural that way. And yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you are a returning subscriber, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit the post notification bell button so you guys are the first ones to see my videos. And if you are a new visitor, go ahead and subscribe. Please join my family. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to watch my other video, you guys, if you haven't already, my Dollar Tree video. It's a Dollar Tree haul plus a giveaway. Don't forget to join the giveaway. Love you guys, take care, and I hope God blesses all of you.